Halton is an expert in operating room ventilation. We have delivered hundreds of operating room ventilation systems across various parts of the world. Halton Vita OR Space solution combines an ultra-clean operating environment with comfortable conditions and high energy efficiency for the entire operating room. The system ensures an ultra-clean operating environment, critical for patient safety and surgical success through controlled dilution airflow. Halton Vita OR Space excels in energy efficiency. As an optional feature, the airflow can be dynamically adjusted based on the microbial load, such as number of personnel in the room. This adaptive airflow management optimizes ventilation, saving energy while maintaining the required air quality. Adaptable to varying numbers of staff, the system provides a balanced and controlled environment. A user-friendly touchscreen panel increases operational efficiency by allowing easy adjustment of settings, including temperature changes during operations that is tailored to the medical staff's needs. Panel layout and functions can be designed individually based on project requirements. Comfort is crucial, and the Halton Vita OR Space system provides an optimal, draft-free environment with good thermal comfort and low noise levels. Offering flexibility in the configuration of the supply units, the system can adapt to different room layouts, which is particularly useful for hybrid rooms. The airflow pattern can be optimized with the help of computer simulations to meet the requirements of any surgical procedure. The desired airflow pattern is provided by adjusting the nozzles accordingly. Thanks to the adjustable nozzles, the airflow pattern can be changed at a later stage of use if required. Enhanced with integrated blue light technology, the system can disinfect spaces during non-working hours, making the workplace even safer. The Halton Vita OR Space ventilation system redefines cleanliness, efficiency, comfort and flexibility in the operating room. Halton is committed to sustainability, ensuring that its operations and products make a positive contribution to the environment. Halton Vita OR Space ventilation solution can be delivered as a turnkey project. This includes air handling units, air distribution units, airflow dampers, control system, sensors, and the startup and commissioning of the system. Halton's expertise ensures the best outcome from the early design stages all the way to validation and life cycle support. Wherever air quality is critical, we take care of every breath you take, enabling well-being.